My name is Alejandro and I am from Colombia. I'm doing an engineering program. Engineering is very broad, so I want to choose which branch is the one that I most like and the one I want to follow for the rest of my career. The quadcopter projects is building a drone. The group that I'm working with is called Animal Rescue, and we build a drone that carries animals injured or that have some medical need. We carry them in a net, and the drone takes the animal to wherever it has to go. The engineering course itself, it's incredible. But my favorite part was the fact that we could experiment being in a lab where we could fix each piece. And I think it's something amazing that we could do this at this age. I also liked a lot the fact that we went to see the Capitol. We got to go around the University of Texas here in Austin. It was beautiful. Gregory Gym is incredible. The fact that I could be here and experiment how the campus is, how it is to live alone here, like take care of your clothing, your responsibilities. It gives me an idea of how I have to be and how I have to behave. I wish it was longer, yes. It's pretty cool.